Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today's painting is actually a last minute entry for a favorite bird art challenge organized by Lina. Do check out her channel, she's done an amazing job uniting lots of different artists together to paint this theme. I'm a little bit extra, so just to clarify, my favorite bird is the phoenix. Since this topic isn't about mythical creatures, I've decided to settle for the black swan. I've always been drawn to the noir side of things, so the black swan appeals to me a lot more than the white ones. Dark, moody, hauntingly beautiful, and misunderstood is what I feel the Black Swan represents. In the world of ballet, Petipa choreographed this beautiful routine as they dance to a glorious score by Tchaikovsky. Swan Lake is a love story of a prince who goes on a hunting trip and falls in love with Odette the Swan Queen. As a result of a curse by an evil sorcerer, Odette can only take human form between the ungodly hours of midnight and daybreak. This curse can only be broken by true love. To prevent the spell from being lifted, the evil sorcerer disguises his own daughter Odile to look like Odette, but in black. Filled with seduction, confidence, and sensuality, the Black Swan successfully captures the prince's heart. Like all love stories, this is a tragic one, and Odette dies a sad death, while the prince jumps into the lake and drowns himself after finding out the truth. Now the thing is, Odile, the Black Swan, might seem like a villain. However, in another book by Mercedes Lackey, Odile was only seeking her father's approval and love. It's about a young woman's discovery of who she truly is, and her escape from the clutches of a manipulative father, and her conquest of her own independence and self-love. Misunderstood she was. Ballet aside, in the world of financial markets, a black swan is a term for a disaster that is impossible to predict and catches everyone off guard. Then again, in every crisis, an opportunity presents itself. Anyway, this was actually quite hard to paint because dark on dark is a little tricky to make the colours stand out. Regardless, I had fun with the challenge, hence without further ado, let's begin.